Today, let's make this super cute little bear together. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. First, connect 4 yellow pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Thread it through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, tuck the wire end inside, then adjust the shape. Connect 3 pipe cleaners together. Wrap them around a pen, thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center, apply glue, then secure it in place. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward. Roll an orange pipe cleaner into a circle, then glue it onto the lower part. Wrap 2 more rounds around the top to make the pants. Apply glue and continue securing it in place. Next, roll an oval shape and glue it to the center. Shape it like this, then glue it in place. Bend the pipe cleaner to make an ear. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Glue on the 2 plastic eyes. Use felt to make the mouth. Fold a 1.5 cm piece of pipe cleaner. Roll it up to make the arms. Trim off the excess, make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Roll a pipe cleaner into a circle. Add an orange piece to make the foot. Trim off the excess, make 2 feet, then glue them in place. Finally, roll a small circle to make a tangerine. Glue the tangerine onto the top of the bear's head. And our little bear is finished. Give it a try. See you in the next video.